energy for day one of season 12 of PKL has been at its max. What a humdinger we were treated to. This one promises to be a good one as well.
He's got the first touch. We understand the pressure that the coaches go through.
Now, Akash Shinde, a man who's worn the orange jersey of Puneri Paltan for a long time, he gets a touch. Starts off by getting the corner, Gaurav Khatri.
And what the journey that this league has travelled, what this league has given to the game, to the players is, moments such as that. Moments such as that will make you jump out of your seat. What it has given to fans is total entertainment.
That is quite sensational.
Ajay Thakur was listening there. 1 versus 3. It is also a Birla Tactic super tackle. It is a super tackle. It is a super tackle. This is the mighty one. Pakad ka khel.
Puneri Paltan.
Very close call, and Paddy, just for all our viewers, if you can just run us through that once again.
So if a raider goes totally airborne, this is mighty. He steals the show, captures the thunder. Oh my, he's brought the stadium on its feet.
It's moves like this that make this the most exhilarating sport there is.
Bonus plus 3 points.
Oh, this is big.
4 pointers got 5. Aditya Shinde has got 8. 1 versus 2. Now this is Birla Tile Stick super tackle. This is a gigantic moment. Lot of fire, lot of passion. Pakad ka khel. How is that for sheer machismo? Tries to show the kick, Aslam. And they got it! No, the defender has crossed the midline. The point should go to the raider.
Did you just see the strength of Aslam Inamdar?
Good.
My goodness. He bulldozed his way past Ankush Rathi. Now Ankush Rathi is celebrating. Let's just give this another look.
So it's 2 points each, because if the raider is out, it's a super tackle.
This is a do-or-die raid. He has a bonus point that he can pick up. He'll get more than that. He might just get Aslam Inamdar and Gaurav Khatri. Ajay Thakur doesn't like this.
Lucky for him that the point has not been granted. Ankush, beware, the Bulls have got their man just in the nick of time.
The raider out. 1 point.
The raider could not slide his hand through midline. The Bulls are celebrating around.
No jersey pulling, raider out. Okay, please. TV umpire, Bengaluru Bulls challenge, no jersey pulling, raider out.
The shorts that you wear also is a part of the clothing. There is jersey pulling.
Review unsuccessful. Raider save 1 point, Puneri Paltan.
5 seconds to go in the match. This is it. It is a tie, hence it will be a tiebreaker. Welcome to the land of madness.
Match over.
Absolute madness. Day one of season 12, and we are already into a tiebreaker.
The coaches, they know the tension. The first raid has to come from Pune because they raided first. Now, mind you, that balk line is a bonus line as well. No! In order to prevent the balk line, you concede a point. So it's a very tricky situation.
1 point.
Look at the high line of defense. Look at where Vishal Bharadwaj is. Ali Reza. Abhinesh Natarajan with
1
the
point.
error.
Bengaluru Bulls.
You go through so many things in your head. Oh, the Bulls! Wow, the Bulls! They're now Puneri Paltan. But does he get the bonus before that?
Raider out.
Does he get the bonus?
Raider out. 1 point.
And that is the reason we say the more I know this game, the more I think I know this game, the little I know I don't know it. Aslam gets a point.
Raider save. 1 point. Puneri Paltan.
They are not letting him cross. They will not let him cross. Puneri Paltan
Raider
is
out.
the final
1
hurrah.
point. Puneri Paltan.
That there was no way Dheeraj was getting out of that. No. Paddy, he's not clear of the white line.
Raider out 1 point, Puneri Paltan.
This tight encounter.
You have
This
captain, no more release, your
encounter
release over.
is victory for Puneri Paltan. The Bengaluru Bulls take a bow. Puneri Paltan might have won this one.